I walk in like I'm golden, smile fixed, hair on point. But the truth is in my chest, and it's ready to annoy. I laugh with the group, like I'm part of the scene. But the joke hits wrong, and I freeze on the screen. I'm good when I'm watched out, when I'm praised. But the second I slip, I'm lost in the gaze. Sometimes man starts slipping in front of everyone when I try to be strong, but the act is done. My eyes go heavy, my voice goes thin. Sometimes man starts slipping and the shame sets in. All we know is I'm smiling, but my hands won't stay still. I feel the mask sliding, and I can't stop the spill. Crowd around me, all eyes, and like I'm supposed to be okay. I taste the panic in my mouth, but I swallow it anyway. Hands go cold, knees go weak, heartbeat loud like a drum. I'm holding back the real me, while the room just watches numb. I'm good in the spotlight, I'm good on the stage, but when the mask slips, I'm trapped in the cage. Sometimes masks start slipping in front of everyone. I'm laughing too loud, like I'm having fun. My smile cracks open and the truth leaks out. Sometimes masks start slipping and I can't turn it down. I don't want your pity, I don't want your fake love. Just don't look at me like I'm broken, like I'm failing today. I fix my face again, try to hide the mess, but sometimes masks start slipping and I can't